Hi there, we are Mirjam Schulpe
and CARA
and we feel very excited about coming to Prague in October. From 5 till 8 October we will be offering 2 connecting communication trainings there in Prague.
Right, one will be for parents and the other will be for people in the workplace. We'll be teaching you communication skills that help build compassionate relationships and help you resolve conflicts when they come up at work and or at home.
Yeah, and we intend to offer you tools, and like this one. This is the 4 steps model that we will use to improve your listening and expression skills in communication at home and at work. And we will focus on practicing with your real life challenges and situations.
So we really look forward to supporting and inspiring you and hope to see you there.
Okay, bye.